How to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix the live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. If you are encountering issues with using live wallpaper or animated background on TikTok, so here's a quick guide to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. So first step is that you have to take the TikTok update. Ensure that you have the latest version of your TikTok installed on your device. You have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store here and simply search for the TikTok on your search bar. So if there is any update available, you have to download the latest version of your device of your TikTok on your device. Also, you have to verify the device compatibility. You have to check the device species. Confirm that your device supports the live wallpaper. Some older devices or certain operating system might not support this feature. Also, you have to make sure that the live wallpaper or animated background you are trying to use is in a format compatible with the TikTok. Also, you can restart the app and device. If you have opened up your TikTok here, just close and reopen the TikTok app to see if that resolve the issues. Also, you can restart your device to clear temporary glitches that might be affecting the app functionality. So if you are using your Android device, just go for your TikTok app info here. And once you are here, you have to go for your clear data. And here you can see the clear cache. So which can resolve any temporary issues with the app. Just go and clear the cache from your TikTok. Also, you can try uninstalling TikTok and then reinstalling it, which can fix issues related to the corrupted files or setting. So if none of these above steps resolve the issues, you may need to contact TikTok support for assistance. You have to just go to your TikTok and go for your profile and just simply tap on the setting and privacy. So once you are on your setting and privacy here, so here you have to just go and scroll down and go for a report or problem. So here you have to report a problem to your TikTok by explaining your issue. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the most issues related to live wallpaper on TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.